Hello everyone, this is Andrew joining you from CalSoft Systems, and today I wanted to very briefly demonstrate the integration that's provided between Dynamics 365 Business Central and Microsoft Outlook. So to begin, we'll see that on the top right-hand corner of my ribbon, I have installed a Business Central add-in into my Outlook account, and it's given me two different buttons here. One's for Contact Insights, and the second is for creating a new document. If I select Contact Insights, what you'll see is Business Central begins running right in the margin of my Outlook account. So very nice integration. And what it's done is it's provided me with the customer page for Coho Winery. And it's done that because it's able to recognize that Coho Winery is affiliated with this email address that had first contacted me. And what it's provided us with is all of the important customer details that we'd otherwise find within Business Central, except now it's right at our fingertips within Outlook. And if we'd like, we're able to pop this out into a separate window. That way we can go and view other emails and then come back to this information. But another important feature that I wanted to demonstrate today was the ability to create new documents. So let's say that we wanted to send this customer a sales quote. We can do that right from this margin. So we select sales quote, and we're provided with a template. We'll simply input the item that the customer wanted to receive a quote for and the quantity. And then we're able to very easily send this quote directly by email back to our customer. And here we are presented with a summarized version of our sales quote in the body of our return message, but also Business Central's provided us with the fully executed PDF version of the sales quote. So very, very cool integration. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you next time.